very excited about having this symposium this year. We started thinking about the symposium a year and a half ago when we realized that despite all the success we were having with the genetic side of things, discovering genes involving cardiovascular disease, we were lacking insight into how these genetic discoveries translate into patient and physiology. So we started thinking about this and how we could boost interaction between our genetic community and the physiologist. So we came up with a program, super exciting speakers that will cover very breathtaking science and also different approaches in physiology. And we certainly hope to have interesting brainstorming ideas, and we're confident that that's going to be a super exciting session for the attendees. Over the last 10 years, we've been super successful in finding many genes and variants and all of that associated with cardiovascular diseases, but we haven't been that successful in translating these into clinical insight, clinical gain, and physiology. We have tremendous success from the genetic side of things, and we need to bring this success back to the patient. And to do that, we need to ground our genetic science into physiology. So that's the first reason. The second reason is because the timing is perfect. As I said, now we have many genes associated with cardiovascular. Think about stroke and heart attack. So we know which gene, or at least part of these genes, that are responsible for these. So we have a very powerful tool now where we can use our genetic discoveries, apply them to model system, and then see what happens in cells and understand what's the cause of these diseases. So I hope attendees will have ideas first. So most of the attendees will have a genetic background, so maybe less familiar with physiology. So from this symposium, I hope they will have really great ideas. I hope that the genetic will guide better physiology experiments, and I also hope that physiology might guide better genetic experiments. That's the one thing. I hope there's going to be collaboration out of that session. And the last thing is I hope attendees will be exposed to other systems, cell culture, APS, stem cell, zebrafish, all models that we're less familiar with and that are very powerful in the context of cardiovascular genetics.